Good morning, everyone, and welcome to morning devotions at the Garden of Hope. It looks like it's going to rain soon, and if you notice, I haven't had a bird cam. They just really hadn't been out here much. And there's the hawk. Oh my goodness, I can't. It's right up there, y'all. I hope you can see it. I was going to do devotions, but oh my goodness. I'm going to turn this thing around if I can. I can't turn it to so I don't know if I'm filming this good. I hope y'all can see that up there. It's up there on top of this telephone pole. There it goes. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's down on the ground. It's got something, see? It has a baby or something, y'all. Out of that magnolia tree. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. And they're just up there. Bless their hearts. No wonder they're attacking it. They just lost a baby. That's nature though, y'all. That's nature. I'm just gonna, I don't know whether to leave this on this or, I think I'm just gonna make this a separate one, y'all, and it's starting to sprinkle anyway. So I may have to go inside to do the morning devotions, but oh, I hope I caught that. I wish I could have caught him flying in too. But I had this on selfie, you know, so I could film this. So I don't know if I caught him good or not, but we'll see.